Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Selma. If you're new here, I share easy and healthy recipes here on my channel. I have a very fun Saturday planned, so I thought I'd take you guys along. I'm just about to make breakfast, but first I'm gonna make an iced coffee. I have coffee maybe like once a week, but always decaf because I have anxiety and IBS, so can't really drink caffeine. I need heart-shaped ice cubes because it's Valentine's Day next week. For breakfast, I'm gonna make chocolate pancakes. If your goal for the new year is to eat more veggies, protein, and fiber, you have to try these out. Lately, I've been playing Solitaire Grand Harvest, and since Popeye is now in the game, I had to bring spinach into today's recipe. By playing the game, you now have a chance to win a couple screws to the Caribbean. These pancakes are really easy to make and they contain about 30 grams of protein and no protein powder. We add all the ingredients into a blender, eggs and cottage cheese for protein, or you can use Greek yogurt instead, oats for fiber, cacao powder, baking powder, maple syrup, vanilla, and lastly the spinach. But don't worry, you can't taste it at all in the ready pancakes. Then we just blend until smooth. Playing this game is so fun and relaxing. I can play even while the pancakes are cooking. When I pass one level, it's time to flip the pancakes. Here are the ready pancakes. Scan the QR code or click the link in the description to download Solitaire Grand Harvest. It's free to download and play. When you get to level 4 on the game, a pop-up appears and you can enter your email, and then you have a chance to win a couple cruise to the Caribbean, flights included. There will be one winner every week till March 6th. Thank you so much, Solitaire Grand Harvest, for sponsoring this video. I topped the pancakes with vanilla quark and some berries. I also like to add some maple syrup. These pancakes are so good, you could never know there's hidden veggies in them. I'm just about to head to a puppy yoga class. I don't think I even mentioned it here on YouTube yet, but Sandy, my parents' dog, she had puppies on Christmas Eve and she's been staying at the breeder since then. But the breeder told us that the puppies will participate in this puppy yoga because it's good for them to meet new people and socialize. So obviously I have to go there, and my best friend Anna is also coming, and my older brother's girlfriend and my younger brother's girlfriend are both coming, and a couple of their friends, so I think it's gonna be really fun. I've never been to a yoga class before, so I'm excited to see what it's like, but honestly, I'm more excited to see the puppies again. I've met them already a couple of times, but it's been a few weeks since the last time I saw them, so they've probably grown so much. I'm gonna try to get some clips there if they let me film during the class. But now we need to get going so it won't be late. The puppy yoga was so fun but quite chaotic. The puppies were running around and biting everyone's toes and fingers. And they even tried to eat my hair. And then there was a bowl of water for them in the middle of the room. And some of the puppies went into the bowl and splashed water everywhere. So it wasn't that much yoga. It was more just playing with the puppies. But that was really fun. Now I thought I would make us kale Caesar salad wraps for lunch. Here are all the ingredients we need for the wraps. So here I have some kale, and then I'm gonna make crispy roasted chickpeas, and they're gonna be kind of like healthier croutons. Then we need Parmesan flakes. And these are the wraps that I'm using. They are high in fiber. And my hack to make the dressing a bit lighter, I mix it with lemon juice and Greek yogurt. And then for protein, we're using chicken. Here are the ready chickpeas. You can hear how crispy they are, but I'm gonna let them cool down so they crisp up even more. Here is the ready lunch wrap. Looks so good. Now we are going for a walk on a frozen sea. I also got the craziest idea. So I'm gonna try to film a recipe video while we're there. Because I've seen people make ice cream in the snow. So I want to try to make a healthier version. But it's freezing cold. So we'll see how this goes. Aaron has all the ingredients and my tripod in the backpack. It's so pretty here, and it doesn't feel that cold because it's sunny and it's not that windy. I've seen people make ice cream in the snow, so we're gonna try to make a healthier version. We're here on a frozen sea, but it's freezing cold, so this better work. So we're gonna put the bowl into the snow. We need Greek yogurt, mashed raspberries, and maple syrup for sweetness. And lastly, vanilla extract. And then we stir. It should harden at some point, hopefully. It's Aaron's turn to stir. Now finally, after 30 minutes, it's starting to set. Let's do a taste test. It's actually good. It's creamy and refreshing, but it's way too cold for a frozen treat like this, and it took so long to make. It worked,
but it took over 30 minutes for it to set, and it is freezing cold because the sun has already set. So now we're gonna head home while we eat the frozen yogurt. It's so cold.
Now I'm starting to make dinner. I'm making a super quick and easy meal because the Winter Olympics started yesterday and the figure skating team event continues today, and I really want to watch that. So I'm making one of my favorite low effort meals, baked feta pasta. The best part is you don't even need to chop anything, so just washed the cherry tomatoes and now they go into the baking dish with feta, and then I'm gonna add some garlic infused olive oil on top and some spices, and then it just goes into the oven. And meanwhile I cook the pasta and then we just mix everything together. So it's super quick and easy but really tasty. Here's the ready dinner. Now we're gonna do a taste test. It's really creamy and tasty. What do you think?
Yeah, it's really good.
Now we're gonna go watch the Olympics. I'll add the written recipes to the description box. If you're looking for more easy and healthy recipes, check out my recipe ebooks that have 265 recipes. Also, reminder to click the link in the description to download Solitaire Grand Harvest so you have a chance to win a couple's cruise to the Caribbean, flights included. See you guys next week. Bye!